Hello and namaste. This is Arnab from Move into Stillness Yoga. I want to share this beautiful view with you right now. I'm sitting on the banks of the Ganges in Rishikesh, and the sun's just setting behind the mountains. Please enjoy the view. I'm going to put on some beautiful devotional music and share this amazing scene with you. So hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to add to this now that despite different challenges in life, and especially now during this crisis and the virus everywhere and the hardships and the challenges that people are going through, there's always something beautiful we can find in our lives that we can keep some space for and dwell in that space. It need not be external, like I'm enjoying this external beauty, but we can withdraw within and give ourselves some time and space through some breath work, pranayama or meditation, and dwell in that peaceful state for a while. So let's give ourselves a break when we really need it. So thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this. Namaste.